Hey, what's up guys? Gene back here for KECO again. As you saw, I got a little care package in the mail today, and it had this bad boy in it. This is our updated JVF handle. This one is in the A1 mount, so check this out. No more unscrewing to change handles. It's all magnetic. We've got a rare earth magnet built right into the handle. Easy in and out. Nothing to unscrew, no buttons to push. Just click it in. The handle's over molded, right? It's super comfortable. Down in the door, it's available in a left and right hand. Easy to change, nice and fast. I was also concerned, like, will it fall off? Let me get stuck on the brace here. Even getting stuck on the brace and pulling up with some tension on it, it won't just pop off. So this is a left hand. It's available in a right hand as well. We've also added this soft cushion on the back, so you don't need to worry about scratching the car with the screw that comes out of the back. It is also coming out in the ultra hexagon mount right there. Super simple to change, easy in and out, right? KECOtabs.com. Make sure you go get it. Thanks for watching. Oh, hey, wait, 1 minute. If you watched the beginning of the video, you saw there was something else hiding in there. And that's these new dead center super tabs. So I'm gonna be making a video showing you just how strong these are. We've taken that same dead center technology and applied it to a super tab. It's incredible how hard these pull. So keep an eye out. I'll be dropping that video soon. Thanks for watching. Again, KECOtabs.com. See ya.